Hey everybody! Welcome and thank you for tuning in. This is Heat 2 for the Dash for Cash down at Butterfly Farm, Indy 800. And this is a video of 101. Don't go in lights when you're 8 kilos over. That's pretty much going to be the story of this video. So I'm only 8 kilos over in this heat. 10 kilos in qualifying first heat. I dropped a ton of fuel and got me about 2 kilos lighter. Woohoo! Yes. Made it a bit better. I wouldn't say I'm top of the leaderboard, but I got closer to the leaders. I think heat 1 I was like 8/10 off or something. This heat I was about 6/10 off. I was getting closer. Felt like I was getting closer. So qualifying 13th, heat 2 still starting 13th, and we're going to start off the race on the inside, staying close to number 3. Not too bad of a start. Yeah, actually it was a pretty bad start. Left the gap for 34 to come in, and then at 69 I can't even see. Well, it's 96. Ooh, 96 had a good start. I know I need to get past him fairly quickly because I am faster than him time wise. My tyre pressure is a little bit different, so I knew I wasn't going to be as quick off the starts based on my tyre temps. So I just had to play the waiting game, make sure the first few laps the tyres would get up to a reasonable peak. He had a bit of a slip there, going around the outside, and we're going to make it. No. Good defending on 96. It was a tough pass by me. I don't think I would have really successfully made it if I tried to stick with it, but I'm all over him. Makes a little bit of a slip on the exit of that corner. Try to get him. Oh, hey. Let me in, buddy. He's defending really good. That was a really good defend there. He really tried to late break that because he didn't want to give me that pass at all. He didn't want to give me that corner. So he really tried to late break it. I late broke it as well, but I knew my boundaries, so I almost left a little bit too late and went wide, but he left it later. He overshot the corner and that gave me that pass. So nice defending on him, nice passing by me. And where are we? I think we're in 11th. I think we lost. Oh no, we're still in 12th because we lost. No, because he was in 11th. Yeah. So we're in 11th because 34 was in 11th and he came in on me, and that guy passed me. No, I'm still in 12th. I'm in 11th. Okay, I swear to God, I'm in 11th. Please give me that number. I finished quite well. I do finish. Finished good. I gained 5 positions. So, spoiler alert, you don't have to watch the whole video. I finished 8th, and I'm pretty happy with that. They tried to make a pass there. Number 3 was really trying to hold that and hit the ripple strip and lost it a bit. So, I messed up 34, gave me a position. Maybe I'm in 11th now. I'm looking at the speed hive as I speak. And it does say I gained 11th on the 3rd lap. I don't know what happened to him. So they're going to be 10th. It says first lap. Oh, she did not want me to pass at all. That was a really risky. So he passed me there. I could have undercut him, and he did overshoot. I could have undercut him, but then he would have had the inside line for that corner. So a little bit of issue, just a few mistakes on my behalf. I probably shouldn't have gone for the pass for number 3. Very tight corner, and she already did kind of have the line. I tried to squeeze it in. She closed the door on me. I mean, I wasn't angry. It was her corner. I didn't have the pass complete, so I backed off, and then that's how 34 got the pace on me on the straight, and then got me on that right-hander. He did overshoot it, and I was thinking on switching back and coming on the inside on this corner, but he would have still had the inside for this corner, so he would have still gained that position, and we would have lost a lot more time. So I didn't challenge the switch back on the pass. Once again, I am 8 kilos over, so I am putting that in consideration on my thoughts in the races. I'm thinking, hey, if I battle these guys and they're faster than me, that's going to ruin their races. It's going to slow us up for people that are in front of us. Like, we're going to lose gap from the people in front of us. So I was like, I won't fight it. I'll let them have the pass, and I'll just try to stick with them as much as I can. And I'm doing a pretty good job. 8 kilos lighter. I'm going to say that so many times throughout every race. I get a little bit lighter as the weekend goes on, but this race, 8 kilos. Did I mention 8 kilos? By the way, I'm 8 kilos heavier. Don't think I've said it, but I'm 8 kilos heavier than everyone else. You may have missed it. I probably said it a few seconds ago, but you probably, joined the video now, but I'm 8 kilos heavier than everyone else in this race. Am I going to get some unlikes? Or wait, am I going to get some thumbs down, unsubscribers, because I've said that I'm 8 kilos heavier? But hey, I could say it again, I'm 8 kilos heavier. I don't have much to talk about in this race, as you can see. I've literally spent a minute saying that I'm 8 kilos. Ooh, here we go. He had a little bit of a slip there, so it gave me a bit more of a speed on that straight. And bye-bye. Pass complete. That was good. I like that. You've got to really be careful on that bootleg left, because it's flat out from the first corner, which I'll speak about it in this lap because we've got some time to catch up to number 3. But it's got to be perfect, otherwise if you mess up, you lose so much. So from this corner, you're flat out from here, or from here, flat out, flat out, flat out. Like, that's really fast bootleg left up to this corner here. So if you slip on that, make a mistake or slip on that bootleg left, you lose a lot of speed. And as you can see from 34, he had a little bit of a slide, and I think he might have backed off to try and correct it. That just gave me a few kilometers faster, and gave me that edge to get him on the inside of the left. I'm catching up to number 3. By the way, I'm catching up while I'm, you guessed it, 8 kilos heavier. Have I been saying lighter? I should probably look through this commentary. I think I've been saying 8 kilos lighter. I'm heavier. I might have to look through this commentary. If I say 8 kilos lighter, I have to delete this whole commentary and redo the whole thing, which means you might not even get to hear that I've said 8 kilos. Oh, she had a little bit of an accident there. I don't know what happened, but maybe she had too much grip and the cart bounced. But there's a bit of a confusing... Was that the end of the race? No, it wasn't. We're still going. Yes. It was a little bit of a confusing situation for her and me. It seemed like she had a bit too much grip, and the cart having too much grip, it bounces or it hops to try and release said grip. And when it does that, it essentially lifts off the air, comes back on the track, and then over grips, and then you're in chaos. So it looked like that happened to her, and she just went a bit wide because of the hopping or lack of grip, or because of the hopping. Something happened. She went wide, I took the advantage, I went on the inside. That's another pass done. That is the checkered flag though. I did finish 8th, so I gained 5 positions. I'm very happy with that. I gained 5 positions being 8 kilos heavier. I'm going to look through this commentary. I'm pretty sure I've been saying 8 kilos lighter, but if you like the video, awesome. Like the commentary, I love you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'm happy to reply. We'll come back in heat 3 and we'll say we're 6 kilos heavier next time. Thank you.